How cheeky am I that I went to New York Sports Club and asked for a 3-day pass and they gave me one.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules?
So with all the weights I've got to work out all the parts on the numbers, so everything's in pounds, so I've got to work out in kilos, I've got to do maths.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside.
Yo, I finished my workout. I feel so good. It's so hot outside, but I actually feel amazing. I need to get the bus to Willowbrook Mall, and then I'm gonna meet my fellow counsellors over there. Oh.
These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out.
Yeah! Yo, look at all these cereals. Captain Crunch. It's a vlog. Yeah, we're watching Spider-Man Far From Home.
Hey, yeah, we're just talking about the trip. Yeah, Peter's plan.
We have a plan.
Yo, so we are going on a hike to Bear Caves and we're going to be sleeping overnight there. Yo, we got the food to cook. We're almost there, just over that hill. Yeah, this is the night. So this is where they stay, this is where they're sleeping. There's a little climb spot there as well where they can climb up to the top through the rocks here. It's brilliant, and that's where we're cooking the food before with the fire. The fire, we're cooking our burgers, cheese, bread. What are we building, Vanessa?
We are building the most amazing roller coaster made out of noodles you've ever seen in your life.
This is our design here.
We are gonna make it
Down, through that loop, all the way, and then round, another loop, and back.
Okay. Wait, can I record you guys this coaster? You can what? Not yet. Not yet.
There you go.
It does normally work, okay?
Yeah!
If you get it right, you can get to choose another couch, but the same rule applies. If you get it wrong, one of you guys gotta come up and take it.
Alright.
That hasn't come before. How many hats does he have?
One.
Oh, he has one.
Another couch.
Yes!
He's saved, he's saved. Pour it slow. Oh, that's torture, that's torture. Oh. How do you feel? Oh. Today is the last day of the first trip, which means all of our kids are going to be leaving and we're going to be going home. They've been here for 12 days. And yeah, let's go and say hello to everyone. So, everyone's tidying up, all getting ready, cleaning up the bunk. We're going to go for breakfast. So how far? There we go.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. And if I say it,
Today we are at the Wild West.
in my head, then I start to sleep. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.